Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your orders list in the About You outlet app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the About You outlet app. And here it usually opens up in the shopping menu where we can find articles and browse and buy. But we have to go into the account menu in the bottom right corner, and here we have to select the second option from the list, and here we can check the orders that we have placed so far. If we didn't order anything, this message is going to say that you can go ahead and order something, but yeah. Here is the place where you can check your previous orders and make returns if need be. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.